Hi, welcome to day 7. Today's song is by a band called Split Enz, and it's called 6 Months in a Leaky Boat. It's a great song, a little bit of a history lesson as well. This is from, as I said, the band Split Enz, and if you're not old enough to remember Split Enz, they were a great band. You might remember Crowded House, which is kind of some of the same guys, the Finn brothers, Tim Finn and Neil Finn. So this is a great song, as I said, and I had fun playing around with it, trying to figure out a way to present it, because it's such a good song, one that I like, but I've never learned how to play before. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for coming, and 6 months in a leaky boat. When I was a young boy, I wanted to sail around the world. That's a life for me, living on the sea. Spirit of a sailor circumnavigates the globe. Lust of pioneer will acknowledge no frontier. I remember you by thunderclap in the sky, lightning flash, tempers flare, and the horn. If you dare, I just spent 6 months in a leaky boat, lucky just to keep afloat. La 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 la. Hey, Aotearoa, rugged individual, glisten like a pearl at the bottom of the world. The tyranny of distance didn't stop the cavalier, so why should it stop me? I'll conquer and stay free. Ah, come on, all you lads, let's forget and forgive. There's a world to explore, tales to tell back on shore. I just spent 6 months in a leaky boat, 6 months in a leaky boat. La 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la la. Shipwreck love can be cruel, don't be fooled by her kind. There's a wind in my sail, will protect and prevail. I wish big 6 months in a leaky boat, nothing to it, leaky boat. La 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 la.